Oh.
Step on it. You got this covered? Get it. Step on it. Step on it. Step on it. Oh, so close. Get it. Step on it.
Where the heck did you?
Get it. Get it. Step on it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Losing interest in the bug?
Oh, did you just step on it?
Yeah! You got it! Victory!
Poor bug. She smashed another one with her hand.
They were mating. They were stuck together.
Yeah, there was two stuck together. She ripped them apart and then smushed one of them.
Love is cruel.
We're here in our backyard that Steve just swept so we could play out here.
Why don't you dummy it down a little bit? Swept. That's all it was just sweeping. Steve just swept the backyard. It was very tough.
There's a lot of weeds as well, so
It's covered with eucalyptus branches everywhere, leaves everywhere. Did you show him the giant tree above you?
yeah. Thanks to this giant tree.
Yeah, keep panning up. Yeah, it goes a long way up. That's what we get to clean up. So it wasn't just sweeping, a little bit of sweeping. Emma, did you see the moon? Hey. Hey, come here. Come here, you see the moon? The house is in the way. Come here. Come here. Come here. You see the moon? You see the moon over there? You see it?
There it is.
See the moon? See it? Yeah. Hi, moon. That's the moon. Yep. One day you'll go there. By the time you're older, round trips to the moon will be cheap. Yep. The moon, all right. This is Emma dancing. She just started dancing recently. You're dancing so good. You keep it up, your dancing will be as good as Mom's.
That's pretty true.
Just like, I know this does it. Turn it around.
so cute.
So she's really good with buttons. She turns the TV on and off. She knows exactly what button does it. Not that she really watches a whole lot of TV. She turns the button on that all the time. And then just recently she started doing the flashlight. Anything with a button, she seems to really like to push it. And she's doing a turnaround technique. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Yeah. Yay!